How about Coinbase, Mark? We also said, our other trades for Trump were Coinbase, Marathon Digital or Mara, Riot Blockchain, Riot, MicroStrategy MSTR. So many of the trades around Bitcoin, around digital assets. And how did this one do? Oh, it exploded to the upside as well, Mark.
How about HOOD, John? We included HOOD in that list. We talked about it a lot on Cocktail Hour just this past Friday. We talked about it briefly in the spooky election special. Let me go to the old Bloomberg terminal. Oh, yeah. HOOD's up 18% today, $4.50. Pretty damn good trade, especially if you played the options on that one.
Yep, that works. And how about JPMorgan, Mark? And did we have unusual activity in JPMorgan? You bet your bippy, as they used to say on Laugh-In, Mark. There it is, 224 a share. It goes up 21.85 today, better than a 9.9% rally, and it's through that right now. The right to buy it at that price, 230, when it trades all the way up through 243. Well, if you buy the at the monies, which is what Mark and Pete and I like to buy, that's a 225 call. And those calls, boom, to the upside. So make sure that you check out marketrebellion.com/get started. Right, Mark?
Yeah, 100%. Definitely go check out that link. And John, I think this is an important story. I teased it in the cold open. It is going to be, and we're going to see this in other names like JPMorgan, is my suggestion and prediction, not only today, but going forward through the end of the year for a couple of different reasons. Remember, and I pointed this out, I think, on Monday, we are coming up on some seasonal trading activity that can also have some significant both upside and downside pressure on certain names. This is going to be in the upside thing. That is portfolio window dressing, where managers, hedge fund managers, mutual fund managers want names that they think are going to perform in the following year or already performing in the last quarter of the year. They want them in that shareholder report. So they do a little window dressing to add them. You can see JP and some of the other investment banking names benefit from that. But I think that there's further room to go in this and other investment banking names. And why is that? Look, less regulatory restrictions on these types of deals, on the kind of banking, investment banking, deal making, IPO type activity that banks like JPMorgan participate in. That's going to increase liquidity. It's going to bring some of that risk capital off the sidelines, as it's already started to do today, which means 2025 and beyond, possibly through all 4 years of DJT's 47 term, is good, is bullish. We're going to see more IPOs. We're going to see more M&A activity. We're not going to see going privates. We're not going to see the offshoring of companies in the face of potential tax on unrealized gains and things of that nature. So all good news, and I think that party just started, to be very honest with you. We're going to see a lot more IPO activity next year thanks to this Trump victory, and that's good for investors. It's good for markets.